The Nash Xperience. The Nash Xperience.
What it do, Jada Boo? What's good? What's good? What's poppin'? What going on? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Monday, lunes. Hoy is lunes. And we're starting. This week's vlog is going to be mostly a deep clean with me. If you're from the Caribbean, you know you gotta do the deep clean thingamajiggy for Christmas. So I decided to start mine a little early. So this week we're gonna get some cleaning done and whatnot. So right now I am on my way to the bank. Okay guys, why I still have this on? Okay guys, ladies have said I which man me want for me Christmas. So it has been a few hours. It has been a few hours. I made it. I made the bank finally. And I got the pie crust. I actually got the last 4 that was on the shelf, so I'm going to do 2 cream cheese and 2 pumpkin, or maybe I should do pumpkin cream cheese. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but definitely gonna show you. I have an hour and a half to get my daughter, and I'm actually shooting my I'm shooting something this afternoon. I don't know if I'm going to use it or if I'm going to like it, so I don't want to tell you what it is and then I don't like it and then you're looking for it. So I'm shooting something else this afternoon and that's 5 o'clock. So I would literally have 2 hours to get ready. Yeah. I think I'm going to go home and do some editing. I know in my mind I should go get the things to make the cheesecake. I just know I should go get them now. I hate putting out of my ass, taking it back off, putting it on, taking it out. And the one that I have is so thick. It's very hard to breathe in. So I just want to call it a day. So I'll catch you guys when I go home. I am back home and I stopped at the grocery store. Only got a few things. Got some M&Ms because the last set that I bought in my grocery haul is now finished and I had none. So I got that back. I got the 4 graham crackers. Like I said, I got the last 4. I got this peanut iguava iguava juice and sanitary napkins. And I stopped by my mom. Let me just stopped by my mom's and I went shopping. As you can see, I got my shopping bag. I got the 2 pumpkin pie, the Levy's. I got that. And I got the cranberry sauce. Comment below if you like this cranberry sauce or the other kind. I prefer the other kind. Some foil pans. Some plastic cups. These little pans because I plan to make banana bread as well, and another funky pie. So that is all that I got on my little shopping trip. I now have to go and get ready. Peace.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, everything is all clean. This is all that I put back. I'm gonna get a picture for here and put it in. This don't belong here. This is for over my bed head that have been asking for a year now to be put up, and it hasn't been put up. So just imagine this without that. But I do want to do for Christmas, I want to do a winter wonderland thingamajiggy right here, but it's cleaned and I'm happy with it. So yeah. Next on the agenda is I usually dust this, but then I can just wipe it down and clean up over there in that corner as well. So let's get into it. So this is the before. Let me show you the dust. Here, as you can see, it's very dusty. It gets very dusty. So yeah. super upset about my vase. But yeah, that is done. And I'm too upset to finish cleaning today. So that is all for today.
Nash Xperience.